This is gonna make Nancy Pelosi mad as hell.
With the last words on my lips, that I am a revolutionary.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Superior. Thanks for watching Superior Thinking. Go ahead, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment down below to continue the conversation. And today we're here to talk about a freshman congressman, Jon Ossoff. If I say Offset on accident, don't be in the comments just making fun of me. But he is introducing a new bill that will force congressmen and their staff and family, down to the cousins, the second and third cousins, to put all their stocks and assets into a blind trust. Now, what that means, I'm not, totally just knowledgeable about stocks and blind trust, but essentially it's taking that person from behind the wheel into the back seat and allow someone who is like a third party to kind of handle their stocks and things of that nature. So essentially, in my opinion, this is a good thing, because just like with other matters, which we will get to, this kind of dictates these greedy people to push, legislation that will benefit them. You know what I'm saying? And just like with the whole COVID situation, when it first started, and this is about like 2-3 years ago, they had information about this way before we did, about the whole COVID and the vaccines and which companies that will be producing masks and things of that nature. Some of these congressmen benefited off of that in their stocks. You know what I'm saying? And it's not just one or two politicians. We're talking about by the handfuls. Democrats and Republicans benefit off of this. So of course, some are going to be against it and be with it because if it will benefit their pockets. Now, of course, there's already kind of like loose laws that are already in place. But as you see, like, they have 45 days before they have to publicly announce what they're doing. And a lot of them even fail that. You know what I'm saying? So the laws that are in place are not working. And not only that, it also sets a trend, because you don't think people are watching, people who are in Congress like Nancy Pelosi, who are watching them, what they do in their stocks and not doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So it's like the insider trading, but for everybody. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not really into stocks like that, but it shouldn't be who to kind of get paid. You know what I'm saying? It should just be that company doing well, and people who are investing in that company should be able to do well also. But of course, like I said, stocks, like if they can put that into law, that's good. You know what I'm saying? But to me, that's just the tip of the iceberg, because if we want to really get to the heart of the beast, the real issue at hand is money in politics in general. Because when we talk about dark money, we're talking about big money from the oil industry. We're talking about pharma industry, in tech industry, things of that nature. When they are investing into politicians for their need, then that's when we get these politicians who promise one thing to get into office, and when they finally get into office, you don't hear anything from them. You know what I'm saying? So if anything, we need to get that money out of politics. And like I said, if we can handle the whole stocks thing, because that is problematic, that can kind of blur somebody's judgment if they are in a position of power. But if they can pass this, then there is hope to get all money out of Congress. And believe, if you take the money out of politics, the greed will follow.